Good morning, it's Dr. Matt Harkness from Allied Physical Therapy Wellness Community. We are so happy to be with you today, and we have been talking about safety in the home. We've talked about your kitchen and your bathroom, and today we're going to talk about getting safe out in your yard. So remember, our mission is to get you back to what you love without surgery and without medication, and in a supportive community that goes beyond the physical space of our offices, right into your homes, as we are doing right now in our weekly Wellness Connection. So I'm here with my two favorite people, my mom and dad, Janet and David. And Mom, I wanted you to tell us about an experience you had recently here in your yard.
Okay, on February 23rd to be exact, we went out for an evening walk, and it was starting to get dark, but it wasn't totally dark. But I was coming up our sidewalk and I tripped over the bricks down here. I hit my head against the house. I got 10 stitches. I hurt my knee, and I had to spend 4 hours in the emergency room.
Yes, it was quite a scary moment. I remember Dad texted the pictures. I mean, it was like the living dead. I mean, she had a big gash, blood, and it was kind of scary. And then you had some physical therapy, which you're still doing some physical therapy to recover from. So yeah, this is a real live example of an injury that can happen in your home, or in the yard. So according to Lawn Starter, 26,000 trips to the ER per month are because of injuries that happen in your yard. So what are some of these possible hazards in your yard? It could be a hose that is not put away properly. You could trip on that. It could be a hole in your yard, or a tree stump that you trip over. It can be power tools that are left out, or if you're not wearing the proper safety equipment, such as proper shoes, pants, long sleeve shirts, gloves, eye protection. It could be the ladder. The ladder is a very common area where you can get an injury. So for example, never be on a ladder without support or lean over the edge of the ladder. You need to get up and move the ladder, and then of course make sure you have support. So there are many simple things you can do. Also, Mom loves to garden, and they've got a really nice garden in the backyard, and you can easily fall when you're bending over, so it's important to use a little seated stool that's lightweight, is sturdy, and that you can sit on while you're reaching down and pulling weeds and tending to those beautiful flowers. So remember too that a very important thing that we offer now is the telehealth, and we can go right into your yard here with telehealth, and we can see your yard and make professional recommendations to make sure that not only is your kitchen, your bathroom, and your house safe, but your yard is safe. So all of our guests now, we do at least 1 or 2 visits via telehealth so that we can really get a more comprehensive treatment and education and value for you by also looking at your home. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube, share these videos with a friend. We are also on Instagram, Facebook. We also are coming to you live every Monday morning from 7:50 to 8 o'clock to our new wellness campus that is under construction, and we will be in there at the end of June. I also want to give a shout out to Suzanne way up in Vermont. She has been watching these videos. Our audience is exploding all over the country, and she said the tip last week where you put your foot on open the cabinet, put your foot in the cabinet to reduce back tension, she said that was gold. So be sure to tune in next week. We are so grateful that we can come to you. I'm so grateful to Dad and Mom for being in this video. You guys are stars now. I'm
Yeah.
sure this video will go viral. And we look forward to seeing you next week.